Hello and welcome all to my YouTube channel. So we are building this series LeetCode questions. So today we are going to solve 182 question number on the LeetCode. It's tagged as easy. We have to just find the duplicate emails. So we have been given a table person. We have been given an ID and email. And we have to find just duplicate emails. We are going to solve this with the help of two approaches. The first approach, which is generally everybody uses, is quite easy. Select star from person. Since I have to find the duplicate emails, first of all I need to group by email, and we have to just provide a clause of having count of email greater than 1. I just need to return this email as email, and if I run this, let's see this what's happened. See, I'm able to submit my solution. Let's run this against all the test cases. Okay, I'm able to beat quite a few percent here. The approach number 2 will be to use the window functions. Of course, it's a little painful, but we are using a window function to solve a lot of questions here. So can we solve this problem with the help of window function? Let's see it. What I need to do here, I just need to get rid of this both, and I just need to provide our count over, I need to do a partition by, of course, email, doesn't matter of the order by. I have to just count my email, and then I have to wrap this up because this is my derived table. I have to wrap this in a query like this. Select star from, and I could do this as CT, where CT is greater than, of course, 1. Count x.ct, and what I really want, I want email as email. Will this query runs? Let's check first. Answer is wrong. Why so? Okay, I have to provide, of course, distinct here because there are two rows with a.b.com. That's why I have to provide distinct. Let us see whether this runs or not. Yeah, it's able to submit. Let's run against all the test cases. Yeah, we are able to run this as well, and we are able to beat nearly 84.84%. So we have seen we could solve this by simple group by and having clause, and if you found of these analytical functions or window functions, we could solve by window function as well. It's just that I need to wrap this query and then provide a where clause in the window function, which is a tad nasty way of doing it, but nevertheless we could do this way as well. Thank you for watching. If you are liking the content, so please like my videos. Also share this video with all your friends and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.